TikTok isn't just for entertainment anymore. It's become a treasure chest of real-life hacks people swear by. From clever DIYs to time-saving tricks, here are 50 TikTok hacks that actually work and might just change the way you do things. Hack number 1. Use a squeegee and shaving cream to clean foggy mirrors. It keeps the mirror clear for days. Hack number 2. Wrap a damp paper towel around your drink and put it in the freezer. It will be ice cold in under 15 minutes. Hack number 3. Put your phone inside a glass cup to increase the volume without needing a speaker. Hack number 4. Use a bread clip to mark the end of a roll of tape. You'll never lose it again. Hack number 5. Freeze grapes and use them as ice cubes in wine. They cool the drink without making it watery. Hack number 6. Run a lint roller over your lampshades to remove dust quickly. Hack number 7. Use a dry erase marker on mirrors for reminders, to-do lists, or positive messages. Hack number 8. Put a wooden spoon over a boiling pot to stop it from spilling over. Hack number 9. Place a coffee filter at the bottom of a flower pot to keep soil in and help water drain. Hack number 10. Fold a hoodie into itself to make a travel pillow for long trips. Hack no. 11. Stick a Post-it under your keyboard keys to clean out crumbs and dust. Hack. Number 12. Wrap a wet cloth around a vacuum nozzle to find small items like earrings. Hack number 13. Use a can opener to open sealed plastic packaging. No need to fight with scissors. Hack number 14. Microwave a lemon for 15 seconds to get more juice out of it. Hack number 15. Add a slice of bread to your cookie container to keep the cookies soft. Hack number 16. Use a fork to hold a taco shell upright as you fill it. Hack number 17. Thread a straw through jewelry chains to stop them from tangling when you travel. Hack number 18. Heat a butter knife with hot water to make it easier to cut cold butter. Hack number 19. Tape a dryer sheet to a fan to freshen up a room quickly. Hack number 20. Use binder clips to organize cables around your desk. Hack number 21. Paint keys with different nail polish colors so you can tell them apart easily. Hack number 22. Use a shower cap to cover your shoes while packing. Hack no. 23. Stick a popsicle stick through a cupcake liner to keep drips from getting on your hands. Hack number 24. Flip a toaster on its side to make grilled cheese when you're in a hurry. Hack number 25. Put cereal in a mason jar so you can take a spill-proof snack on the go. Hack number 26. Store plastic bags in an empty tissue box for easy access. Hack no. 27. Wrap a rubber band around an open paint can to wipe your brush and keep things tidy. Hack number 28. Place a cold spoon under your eyes to reduce puffiness quickly. Hack number 29. Use toothpaste to polish cloudy car headlights. Hack number 30. Slide a straw through strawberries to remove the stem fast. Hack number 31. Keep cake fresh by placing slices of bread against the cut edges. Hack number 32. Use a muffin tray to serve condiments at BBQs or parties. Hack number 33. Turn your phone's camera into a makeshift microscope using a drop of water. Hack number 34. Use a binder clip to hold a nail while hammering to protect your fingers. Hack number 35. Wrap a damp towel around your neck and put it in front of a fan for a DIY air conditioner. Hack number 36. Place a magnet strip inside a drawer to keep tweezers and bobby pins in place. Hack number 37. Tape a piece of paper over a wall to catch dust when drilling. Hack no. 38. Put pancake mix in a cleaned-out ketchup bottle for easy pouring without a mess. Hack number 39. Rub a walnut on wood furniture scratches to hide them instantly. Hack number 40. Place a slice of bread in brown sugar to keep it from hardening. Hack number 41. Use a clean dustpan to fill a container that doesn't fit in the sink. Hack number 42. Add a Lazy Susan to your fridge for easy access to condiments. Hack number 43. Use chalk to remove grease stains from clothes. Just rub and wash. Hack number 44. Put a magnetic strip under your bathroom cabinet for nail clippers and tweezers. Hack number 45. Clean your blender by blending soap and water. No scrubbing is needed. Hack number 46. Use a colander to rinse and store berries in the fridge at once. Hack number 47. Make a mini phone stand from a pair of sunglasses. Hack number 48. Use Velcro on your rug corners to stop them from curling up. Hack number 49. Put a dryer sheet in your suitcase to keep your clothes smelling fresh. Hack no. 50. And finally, tape a reminder on your front door to avoid forgetting your essentials. Sometimes low tech is the best tech.